How to delete WeChat account permanently. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete WeChat account permanently. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the WeChat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, just tap on settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings, just tap on the option labeled as account security. And now here in this section, just tap on the option labeled as WeChat Security Center. And now here, once you are inside the security center, you can simply tap on the safety tools. And now here you'll see five options. So from here you can simply select account cancellation, and after that on the next page you can simply read all the important information carefully. And once done, you can simply tap on I have read and accept the important notice. And after that you can simply tap on request cancellation, and with that you can simply tap on next, and from there you can simply agree to the terms and conditions, and finally after that you can simply confirm your action to permanently delete your WeChat account. But remember, this will remove all messages, contacts and data permanently. And that's it. That's how you can delete WeChat account permanently. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.